This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. As one of only 6 houses in the entire Hawthorne Meadows neighborhood, you'll love the exclusive feel of this 2.5-acre estate property. The picturesque winding paved driveway sets the stage, and the rest of the property checks all the must-have boxes: no stairs, open concept kitchen / living / dining design with vaulted ceilings. Luxurious primary suite privately tucked away from the other bedrooms. 3 bedrooms plus office / den / bonus room with French doors. Fantastic North County location, just minutes to easy I-5, Birch Bay beach access or the US/Can borders. 3-car attached garage. Large covered deck is the ideal spot to relax or entertain. Don't miss the chance to be in this sought-after neighborhood, surrounded by other high-end homes. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.